In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise limit on Sendwave. Increasing your Sendwave send limit is mostly about completing identity verification right in the app, and I'll walk you through it step by step so it's smooth and stress-free. Start by opening your Sendwave app and logging into your account. On the home screen, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options, then choose Verify Account. This is where you'll provide a few details to meet compliance requirements and unlock higher sending limits. Enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. Consistency matters here, so double-check spelling and date format before moving on. You'll also be asked to select the purpose of your account. Pick the option that best matches how you use Sendwave, then tap Finish. Next, follow the prompts and tap Continue. You'll be asked to select your country. Choose the country that issued the ID you plan to use, then select the type of document you'll submit, such as a passport or national ID card. Tap Continue, and if you see another Continue screen, go ahead and confirm again. When you're ready, tap Start to begin the capture flow. Hold your document in a well-lit area, avoid glare, and keep the entire ID within the frame. If the app asks for both sides, capture each side clearly. Once the images look sharp, tap Submit Photo. You'll then complete a quick face verification. Tap Start Recording to record your face, then tap Start again. Keep your phone steady, look straight into the camera, and follow any on-screen guidance. Wait until the recording finishes and uploads. You'll see a confirmation when that part is done. If prompted, go to Payment Methods and add a payment method, such as a debit or credit card or a bank account, and complete any on-screen confirmation. Having a verified payment method can help finalize your account review. After your verification is processed, open the app and check My Limits to confirm your higher monthly send limit. Updates may take a short time, so give it a moment if you don't see changes right away. If your limit still appears low, open help or support in the app, start a chat, or send a support message and request a manual review. Be ready to share any supporting documents the agent requests so they can complete the assessment quickly. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll raise your Sendwave limit with confidence.